Hello everyone, welcome to today's vlog. We just figured out we were going to the beach. It was a very last minute decision. Dad was like, do you guys want to go? And we were like, sure. And he was like, okay, we're leaving soon. So we haven't eaten lunch yet. So Rye is making some quesadillas for our beach snack. And we are so excited. Today Stefan is our chauffeur. What do you have to say about
he's just
this,
gonna
Stefan?
leave. He's like, you guys are leaving, I'm out. Tito's been here since
Why are you
7.
eating a toothpick?
Se viemos shopping, não estão bem bar. Paguem lá.
Oh, Kiki, so sad that we're leaving. Kiki, mommy.
Se viemos shopping.
You know what? I'm gonna give him my kind bar. Oh. What? Okay.
Yeah,
No?
yeah, do it.
Hurry. Ends is gonna want.
It smells horrific over here. Oh, there's so much disgusting trash everywhere.
Trash land. Maybe we should just set ourselves right along this little ledge.
I agree.
And then we can eat our...
Oh, Matt, here.
So we stopped on the beach, and Dad went to talk to some people, and actually they remembered Dad and Grandpa from when my grandpa was here, and they gave us some coconuts. They're not as good as they look, but they're not bad. Yay! They came back to get us.
Oh.
They brought us pizza! Oh my goodness, that's a lot. Yes. Oh my goodness.
Look at this.
Yum.